What's the meaning of capybara? Capybara. Capybara.
Capybara. Capybara. A capybara is a large, semi-aquatic rodent that is native to South America. It is the largest living rodent in the world and typically lives near water sources such as lakes and rivers. Capybaras are social animals and often live in groups. They are herbivores and feed mainly on grasses and aquatic plants. Capybaras have thick, waterproof fur that helps them stay warm and dry when they are in wet environments. Overall, capybaras are fascinating creatures that play an important role in their ecosystems.